Once these statues used to stand in the public spaces in the capital, so all monuments are from Budapest. After the democratic change, public debate formed around this topic, like what to do with these statues. They decided that the statues will be removed from their original places because they dominated urban spaces, so it would be highly inconvenient to live by them. But they will be preserved. I mean, finally, they decided that a park will be established with an exhibition of the most emblematic monuments.